The Green Hills School in Dallas has a lot to offer its students.
If you pull the fantastic out of the normal cube, we're doing
from the classics to its athletic programs. But it's a school club that's providing a real value these days.
When I tell people for the first time, they're oftentimes, they're either confused and they think we're just dealing with pretend money like the stock market game, or they just think I'm lying.
Yet 17-year-old Hank Goldman is telling the truth. He and a few dozen other teens in the business club are helping manage a $100,000 stock portfolio. That's real money.
What drives that interest is really the school support and giving us this money.
Lewis Carlson and Goldman played stock simulation games, but then they wanted to go further. It took a detailed presentation before the board to get funding for the business club.
And so the committee members themselves can pass the hat and raise the $100,000.
The kids impressed the adults so much that they decided to give them the full amount, but the students operate with some parental guidance. They have rules like always research and diversify your holdings. 16-year-old Christian Holmes manages the industrial sector of the portfolio.
And the two companies that I picked were United Technologies and Copra Holdings. United Technologies is a huge industrial conglomerate.
17-year-old Angela Hillsman manages energy.
We have Duke and Southern. So Duke is now the biggest energy company in the United States.
But the most important rule is patience.
There are some moments where we're a little bit freaked out.
The student investors have to ride the ups and downs of the Dow Jones and invest in the long term.
We want to make money, but our goal is more to learn than to make money.
So far in its first year, the club has turned a modest profit of less than 2%. Any gains will be donated to fund financial aid for future students. John Mone, Associated Press, Dallas.